we've done a lot of workshop for the past few months and we've been waiting for this for a long time and sobrang na-enjoy namin yung ginawa namin, relationship works, and we also did a music video together. So yeah, we're just enjoying each other company.
It's been good. It's also been such a journey, having to really learn a lot, preparing for this show, and especially learning cheerleading. Because I've never done it before. I didn't do a lot of sports then growing up, but it was really fun. It really helped me learn a lot about myself and all my capabilities. And it's been good also working with Gab, and we're like, building. I don't want to say too much. You guys will ask questions later naman.
So you've never been in cheerleading? Kasi they flipped you in the air.
Wow.
You somersaulted, diba?
First time.
Wow! Very athletic, amazing.
She looks like a
We have from Alan Sangkon, Stars Photo.
Hello. Hello, hello.
Okay, let us turn on his mic, please. Let's go.
So, good afternoon everyone. Congratulations sa the third part itong University Series ng Vigo One. I just want to ask yung question ko, yung one question ko to the four, kay Derek, kay Dwayne, kay Sahaya, and kay Gab. Kasi parang very successful yung dalawang two-part series na Sky and yung in Spania. Is there any pressure on your part, especially to Gab and to Haya, to do this? Kasi kayo yung magpo-portray nung ano dito na bida. So, kay Direk muna, is there any pressure on your part na hindi man malagpasan, mapantayan yung success ng dalawang series?
Actually, matindi po yung pressure nung una pa lang. Kasi ako mismo, pinanood ko yung first two books. Pati yung books na basa ko. So, even the adaptation mismo, kasi sobrang ganda ng book na sinulat ni Guy. So yun yung pressure doon to translate it to a series. It's very challenging. Pero it's yung pressure naman yung good pressure. Hindi naman siya parang intimidating na parang nakaka-paralyze or anything like that. It's more of we just try to have fun. Lagi kong sinasabi kila Gab and Haya na iba tong book natin, where parang meron tayong, hindi natin pwede i-compare yung book natin dun sa first two books kasi magkakaiba talaga sila. At lahat naman sila maganda. So, ayun, may pressure pero we enjoy the pressure, we welcome it, and we embrace the pressure.
Okay, maraming salamat.
Why? Yeah.
Every book naman po, there's always this pressure kasi every book is different from each other. So, since successfully na rin Espanya and Save Skies Archer, we have to maintain that yung audience na yung mga nanood ng first two books. And also because this is such a new world for us kasi more on nasa sports field, wala naman ganito sa during Espanya Save Skies Archer. So, yung pressure for me is coming from, maintaining the essence of the story kasi that's what I'm here for. That's why I'm part of the creator so that make sure na yung essence ng story and the characters will stay true to their characters talaga. So, for now, I mean, nakikita ko naman na they're really staying true to the character and also nakabantay din naman kami sila ng script. So, siguro it's how the audience will react na lang talaga kapag lumabas. But since the cast, they're all working hard, I'm sure this will be a success too. Yeah.
How about Gab and Sahaya?
I have to take a breath every time. Pressure. I did feel a lot of pressure. It was like up and down. Every now and then I wouldn't feel it, but then I would. I do know that a lot of the pressure comes from because I know that we hold a lot of responsibility to pay respect to the stories and to a lot of different aspects of the story. Then even like with the cheerleading, like I talked about this a lot, pero really wanted to pay respect to that thing. Sometimes it would make me anxious ambitious, but then at the same time, I'm grateful for it because it shows that we care. And we care about making this project good and the show good. So, yes.
Sobrang, like what Haya said, sobrang pressure po yung sa amin to kasi this is the biggest project that we're doing. And pressure is good because it means na mahalaga yung project po sa amin. And we just wanna do our best kahit masustain lang namin yung first and second book as long as magustuhan ng fans at ma-appreciate po yung binigay namin na work. Okay na po sa amin.
Thank you and congratulations everyone.
So na, kumbaga, romantic comedy talaga. Pero, as I've said kanina, ito nga yung series na hindi lang magpapakilig, magpapaiyak din siya, magalahat na emosyon, which I have done previously sa mga projects ko. Ayun, yung mga previous projects ko kasi it's more very family-centered. Pero with this kasi, andun pa rin, andun yung love angle, andun yung romance, pero matindi yung core nung book na to kasi nakaangkla siya sa family ng dalawang main character. So, ayun, so madali siya for me. Ano siya, mahirap lang kasi mabigat. Mas iba yung topic, iba yung kumbaga yung pinagdaanan ng characters dito kasi sobrang bigat yung mga pagdadaanan nila. Pagdadaanan pa lang kasi hindi pa namin nakunan. So, ayun, yun yung challenge. Pero, ayun, it's something new. Kaya na-excited akong gawin siya coming from my previous project.
Thank you, Dragings. Guay naman.
Same thing all over again. The pressure that I mentioned earlier. And also excitement, syempre. Kasi I would have to work again with new mga bida. And we will have to create their character again. So for me, very, very exciting. Kasi I'm always excited to see kung paano magta-translate yung book into something na mapapanood mo on screen. So I'm really excited to see kapag pinapanood ko sila, I would be so happy na parang, ganito pala kapag inact na siya, ganito pala yung feeling. So I'm really, really excited. Pero the pressure comes with it din. Kasi, we will have different reactions from this. But, as long as we are all working hard, we know that we are working hard for this, I'm sure this will all be worth it.
And bakit daw?
Ano ba mag-mention ng universe? Kasi po, it was originally yung Yellow and Green School. So, tigers and archers. So, chasing archer and wild tiger. So,
Yes na.
For now naman po, me and the management talked about this na we should focus on university series. Pero of course, we're not closing the door to do movies like that. Pero as of now, we want to focus on being savvy and yun for me, Arkin.
Hindi ka ba kasi walang sexy dito, no? Dahil wholesome.
Yes, wholesome naman po.
Okay. Wilbert. Si Wilbert ako yung pinakamarami kasing sexy.
Saan po? Actually, sa matagal na po ito, mga sobrang magto 2 years na po ata na, 1 year pala na management po mismo yung nag-decide for me na to stop na the Viva Max and then mag-focus na sa wholesome. Yun lang.
Relief ba ito para sa'yo?
Medyo. Kasi merong bigat, hindi po kasi talaga madali to do things like sex scenes and lalo parang wholesome naman ako sa totoong buhay. Medyo, hindi po siya madali talaga. Nakakapagod po siya sa katawan, sa utak. So, dito po sa mga wholesome na po na project. So, medyo mas magaan na po siguro in terms sa work na ginagawa. Ayun po.
Thank you. Pag-honest naman, Peeps. Too good to be true. Pwede mo pakita in person kung talagang braso. Yes naman. parang ang laki-laki. Hindi ba enhance yan?
Kakatapos ko po ng bukod gym doon actually.
Ah, okay. So hindi ano yan. Oh, take it off. Take it off. Pakikita para sa fans. Sige
Sa ano na lang po, sa movie na lang, para sa show na lang po, para naiabangan naman po sila.
Sus! Okay. Good.